So, you've probably heard the buzz around Perplexity AI. In this guide, we'll take a close look at its API for developers exploring the features, but also uncovering the hidden costs and performance challenges you need to know about. Perplexity is often called the answer engine for developers because it can pull in real-time web data. But here's the question: is it really the right tool for every job, especially for something as critical as customer support? So, what exactly is the Perplexity AI API? At its core, it's a service that lets you connect your apps to Perplexity's models to get AI-generated answers. Its standout feature is that it searches the web in real time, providing fresh, cited information. Now, the interesting part is how it works. Perplexity gives you two main types of models: online models that browse the web for current info, and chat models that work more like traditional, offline AI for general conversation. Let's quickly break down the most common models. You have options like Sonar Medium Online for real-time Q&A, and Sonar Medium Chat as a faster, cheaper choice when you don't need live web access. It's all about picking the right tool for your specific task. Getting started is actually pretty straightforward if you're a developer. You just sign up, add a payment method, and generate an API key. Just remember to treat that key like a password and keep it secure. Because of its live web access, the API is genuinely useful for certain tasks. Think about building internal tools that summarize articles on the fly, or powering a research system with verifiable, up-to-date data. Okay, so here's where things get tricky. Let's talk about one of the biggest complaints: pricing. A developer on Reddit pointed out a sneaky issue where cost can unexpectedly multiply by 20 times or more, turning a cheap test into a surprise bill. And it's not just about the cost. Reliability is another major concern. Users have reported the API returning completely wrong or outdated information, which is a huge gamble for any serious business application. Beyond that, there's the hidden overhead. Using the API in a real product isn't plug and play. You're on the hook for handling errors, managing limits, and constantly tweaking prompts. That's a significant amount of ongoing engineering effort. So, when you compare the two approaches, the difference becomes clear. The Perplexity API is a powerful but unpredictable component, while an integrated platform like eesel AI offers a complete, reliable solution with transparent pricing and full control. Ultimately, it's about choosing the right tool for the job. The Perplexity API is definitely exciting for building research apps, but for business-critical functions like customer support, the risks involved often outweigh the benefits. A common question is, what's the real difference between Perplexity and something like OpenAI? The main thing is live web access, which lets Perplexity answer questions about current events. However, this can also make its answers less predictable. So, if you're looking for reliable AI that's built for a specific business need like support, a dedicated platform is the smarter way to go. It turns a complex engineering challenge into a simple, effective solution.